It says here, use arrow syntax to create an add or update task function. So if the instruction says use arrow syntax to create a function something, we should use const rather than function. So for now we use const and then create the function called add or update task, and then it says use arrow syntax. So parentheses here in the arrow and curly brackets, don't forget the semicolon, and it says then move the data array index variable, the task object, and the if statement, okay, inside into the add or update task. So okay, you have to identify the three: if statement, task object, and the data array index variable. So we move it by Ctrl X, Ctrl V to paste.